So how do you identify cloudy off flavors in mead? When we say a mead is cloudy, we mean it's not clear. Instead of being transparent, it looks murky or foggy. Here's what the causes usually are. Yeast particles, tiny bits of yeast floating around because they haven't settled to the bottom of the container or fermenter. Pectin, a natural substance in fruits that can make liquids look thick and cloudy. Protein, these could come from honey or other ingredients added to the mead, making it hazy. Minerals, sometimes water or ingredients have minerals that can make the mead less clear. Here's how to control and fix it. Waiting. Sometimes all you need to do is give it some time. As mead ages, the cloudy particles often settle on their own. Cold crashing. Cool the mead down quickly to cold temperatures, usually under 40 degrees. This helps particles stick together and sink to the bottom. Binding agents. Add substances like bentonite, clay, or gelatin to the mead. These agents can help pull down cloudy particles to the bottom. Filtering. Run the mead through a filter to physically remove the particles causing cloudiness. Pectinase. If you use a lot of fruit, adding an enzyme called pectinase can break down the pectin, making your mead clearer. Is it ever appropriate in a mead? Typically, cloudiness is not desired in mead. Most people in competitions look for clear mead because it indicates careful mead making and maturing. However, in some homemade or rustic styles, especially those rich in fruit, a slight cloudiness might not be a big deal. It's more about personal preference and the style you're aiming for. But in general, clarity is a sign of quality in mead. Clear mead equals quality mead. However, clarity is only 1 to 2 points in a BJCP mead score sheet. Cheers to clear mead.